Hi, I'm Sheree. Welcome to my channel, Siren Hair Art. I'd like to welcome all of my new subscribers as well. I can't wait to show you today how to create this gorgeous pull-through braid hairstyle. So the first step in creating this hairstyle, I'm just going to spray the hair through with a texture spray to give me grip and texture through the hair so I can easily work with that. I'll spray that all the way through. Just a light spray, and then I'm going to brush Ella's hair through. And then with this hairstyle, it's a straight parting from the middle all the way down into the nape. So the hair is parted in 2 equal sections. So I'm just going to go ahead and section that off. A direct parting from the middle all the way down, and I'll clip one side away. So I'm going to clip that out of the way so that stays out of my way quite neatly, and then I'll work on the right hand side first. So this is the section I'll work on first. With the pull through braid, we take a triangular section from the top. So it's from temple to top of the crown. And first of all, I'm going to secure that with a clear band. So we're just tying a band in here. And all this plait is, it looks so effective, but all it is lots of little sections of band work. So once you've got the pattern, you repeat it until you get to the end. So that's my first one. I'll clip that out of the way, and then I'll take my next section, just a straight section directly under that, and I'll again secure that into a clear band. Because it's going to be pulled out quite loose, you don't have to be too neat, so that's the beauty of this hairstyle. Keep it fairly secure, so it's not too loose, it doesn't move about too much. So those are my first 2 sections. Now what happens now to start the pattern is the top section is split, and then the underneath section in the bobble is pulled through and clipped up on top out of the way. This is what you'll repeat all the way down now. So I'm going to take my next section now, exactly the same, a straight section across from underneath, and then all of that will be incorporated into this band. So I'll secure that again like I did before with the clear band. That'll all be put together. Keeping it fairly tight. So that's my next section. So what will happen now in the pattern, this will drop down, and this top section is split like we did before. The underneath, all of that now is lifted up, clipped out the way, exactly the same. We'll take the section underneath and secure that. I'll follow that down now. So I've got to the ponytail section at the bottom now. Because I'm going to dress this out and pull it out really big and loose, I'm going to do that first before I carry on down, just so it makes it easier for me to pull and manipulate the hair where I want it. I'll start at the bottom and then work my way up just to tease the hair out, so I'm not trying to pull it all the way out from the bottom. So it's just these side pieces here that we wrapped around the hair. Those pieces will be pulled out. So just do that by eyesight, whatever you like to see, however much you want to pull that out. This is all part of the effect of the style of the pull through braid. So see how I'm working from underneath, that's loosened the hair, then I can start lifting up and then I can go back and work through it again, it gives me a bit more hair to work with. This is great on more one length hairstyles. You can still do it on layered hair, you'll just get more looser pieces through it as well. See how that shape's coming really nicely now. Pulling that out. This is the fun bit where you can just have a little play around, be creative. So I'm happy with the amount of hair that I've pulled out now. I'm going to continue the pattern all the way down. It'll just be a few more sections and then we'll pull that out to let this pony come down in the same pull through pattern. So again, the top one will be split, the underneath will clip out of the way. And then we'll secure that with a band. Just giving myself a little bit hair drop down. Release that, separate again, pull through this section, clip it up and then secure that. A little bit of a gap. So my last one now will be separated and then secured underneath. Then I'll secure all of that together. So now, exactly like I did with the braid on the scalp, we're going to pull all that out to continue the pattern. Okay, so I've finished this section now. If you could see, I was holding the end of the pony while I was pulling it out, because you still have to pull that tight, and that'll give you a little bit more strength through the hair to be able to manipulate it where you want until you're happy with the shape. So that's this side done. We'll continue the other side now. So I finished that side on the right, I'll work on the left hand side. I'll take my first section from just in front of the crown to the temple, do my first securing with the band, and then I'm following exactly the same pattern all the way down now. So follow me with this. So this is how the pull through braid is created. So you can see it's a real intricate, really eye-catching finish, but just following them simple techniques and repeating it all the way down gives you this real gorgeous hair that you can show off at any parties, festivals. If you just want to stand out, it looks amazing. So to finish the look now, I'm going to add in some on-trend little hair jewels to dress it all up, make it look really cool and funky. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today and want to have a go at creating it yourself. Please let me know what your feedback is in the comments below, and let me know if you've got any ideas what else you'd like to see, and also hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.